Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to talk to you about 3 ways you can make money online using Raffle. The first 2 methods are completely free, but the third method, which I've personally been using over the past year, has been the most profitable for me. It does require a small investment, but it's definitely been worth that for me so far. I actually reveal exactly how much profit I've been making each month on average in my completely free guide that I've put together down at the link in the description on how to get started making money on Raffle. So first of them, what is Raffle? Well, Raffle is a website that was founded in December 2015 by a man called Stelios Kanu. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And basically what Raffle allows you to do is actually host raffles and competitions for people to then buy tickets and win the prizes, like whatever prizes you want to list on there. And people, usually people that are in a place of influence, so like YouTubers have used it.
We are about to raffle a Porsche off for £2.50.
Companies can use it if they have a large social media following, but lots of different people, even if you don't have a social media following at all, can use Raffle and make money with it, and that's obviously the purpose of this video. Now, if we jump on the laptop here, you can see Raffle's actually rated excellent on Trustpilot with over 21,000 reviews, and as I say, I've been using the site for over a year now. I actually started in March 2024, and I've found it nothing but a joy to use. Really fantastic site that allows you to just put competitions on there and make money from them. But now you know what Raffle is and how you can trust it to genuinely make money for you online. Let's now talk about method 1, which is that first of the completely free methods you can use. So back on the laptop, when you're on the site here and you've set up an account, which if you do so through my link down in the description, you're going to get some benefits through doing that. So it's my personal invite link that I've set up through Raffle. You're going to get a 30-day free trial of their premium worth £96. You won't get that if you just go to the website without going through my link. You also get 0 commission charged on your first raffle, up to £1,000 if you decide that you want to do raffles for yourself. And then you get a 20% discount if you go for the premium or pro account later. So as I say, you'll only get all those benefits if you go through my link in my free guide. If you just sign up through the regular Google search and just click the link, you won't get any of that. So all you're going to do with this first method is literally just go on to free raffles every day or maybe once a week, depending on what time you have, and enter any of the competitions here that are completely free. And all you need to do is click on them and answer the simple question. So for example, if we click this one here, I believe I'm already entered into this one. So you click onto it. Top right hand corner here, click enter now, and it's probably going to say, yeah, you've already got your free ticket. So let me just try and find one that I'm not entered into already so I can show you this. But basically, you'll just be entering these, and essentially you then have a free chance of winning either free tickets to win bigger competitions, or sometimes there's like money competitions on here. Currently, there aren't a ton on here, so it depends when you check. But the last time I went on here and checked, there was actually like 4 times more than this, with lots of them being free cash competitions as well. So let's just click on this one here and try enter this one. So there we go. All you need to do for this one, it's Poland RC Adventure. So you click on follow, then you'll just be following their account. Then it says, how many wheels does a standard BMX have? Of course, that's 2. If there's a question that you find a bit more complicated, there's no shame in just Googling it. I've done that with a couple of the questions. So I had to double check what the color of the bullseye of a dartboard was before. I thought it was red. I was guessing it was red, but I wanted to double check. So then once you answer the question correctly, just click enter now. And what that'll do is it's just going to issue my tickets there. And there you go. It's just said, yeah, we've confirmed your tickets and we're going to email them to you. Now, obviously with that first method, there's no guarantees that you're going to win anything. It is the most simple, straightforward, and as I say, completely free. So there is that. But in method 2, I'm now going to talk to you about something that's a bit more work intensive, a bit more involved, but the amount of money you can make through it is all dependent on how much effort you put into it. So what we'll do for this method 2 is click on public raffles, and all you're going to be doing here is looking for a competition that has an affiliate link advertised with it. So let's just click on this, enter now. So this is to win £1,000 cash. Anytime it has this, like this competition, share and get paid, when you set your account up, you literally just click on that, share and get paid. And then it says here, choose how you promote. So if you click on copy your affiliate link, and then it's this green button here, click that. You've now copied a link which you can share anywhere. So a few ideas are like Facebook groups. Obviously, for a cash prize, that's going to be any Facebook group that will allow you to post it and share it. Or it could, of course, be through friends and family, although that's not going to be a huge money earner because we've all got a limited amount of friends and family that would be interested in buying tickets. But the more complex way of doing it is to sort of set up YouTube channels. So say, for example, let's go over to another raffle here. Say you wanted to, let me just click on RC car here. So we're going to click on that. Tickets for this are 75 pence each. It does have an affiliate program. So again, you would just click share and get paid, copy your affiliate link, and link copy. Now, what you could do is actually set up, say, a Facebook group or an Instagram page or a YouTube channel and create content around remote control cars. Then what you do is just share, not all the time, but share those affiliate links within your content. And because your content would be reaching thousands of people that are interested in remote control cars, you would then be selling tickets to people that are interested in winning one. And you would get some of them a 10%, some a 15% commission. So for each ticket sale, for example, that one is only 75 pence a ticket, but let's just find one. This one is to do with winning like a Pokemon collective, like cards there and some dolls and stuff. £2.50 a ticket. If that's 10% commission, you're obviously getting 25 pence per ticket. I know they're all smaller amounts, but you think when it's the thousands of people and you're selling lots of these tickets, you can actually get quite a decent affiliate commission each month. I'm personally earning just around a few £100 a month from this, from promoting other people's competitions, and you're able to withdraw that on the first of each month directly to your bank account. If you're not really sure how you would go about creating content and putting it on social media platforms, I will include some ideas in the guide down in the description on how you can do that. Okay, so method 3 then, which as I say has been the most profitable method for me, and I'll let you know what I've been making each month on average in my guide there, but it's actually having your own competition. So joining with a premium or pro account on Raffle and setting up your own raffles. So here, as you can see on the laptop, I started on the 10th of March 2024 was my first competition, and that was just for a single 1 ounce Britannia silver coin there. And you can see got the first review there, a 5-star. And then if we scroll up here, you can see all my reviews. So these are all the competitions that I've hosted over the past like 13 months. And if we get to the top there, all the way, keep scrolling to the top. I've now actually hit, 101 competitions I've done. My page being Boss Competitions, of course, I had to use the boss name. I've got Profit Boss, Investing Boss, Boss Competitions. I couldn't ignore the boss name. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surely doesn't that cost an absolute fortune to get all that set up? No, you don't need to do any of that, which is what I talk about in my guide and sort of show you how you can do all this without having to invest huge amounts of money into getting started. And there's no need for, setting up your own website. It's all done through Raffle. There's no need for paying for Facebook ads because when you're on Raffle, you can actually use all of the customers that have bought tickets for competitions. You can email them from Raffle and get them to buy tickets for you. It's a really, really clever system and it works very, very well. I will put a course together showing you exactly how to make money each month, setting up your own competitions. But that's not something, unfortunately, that I can put on YouTube for completely free. I actually lost a few £1,000s learning how to do all this. It's not like super, super straightforward, and I made quite a few mistakes. So I can't really just give all that information for free away. And if there was a huge flood of people doing their own competitions on Raffle from the information that I'd given them, obviously that's going to saturate the market. So this is really an opportunity for people that are seriously wanting to get into it. Please do tap the like button below if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.